It's happening already. Olena! Hey, don't eat my tree. Don't eat my tree. Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko and I make videos about secular spirituality, writing and journaling prompts, the moon, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today I want to share with you my winter decorating. We travel a lot for the holidays, so our winter holiday is normally just 21 days long, which fits perfectly with the solstice and with Yule. So we celebrate our own little nuclear family Christmas or winter solstice really on the 21st. And today is December 1st and we started decorating last night and then I had to finish today and you'll see why later in the vlog. I just wanted to hop on here, say hello, happy Vlogmas. Happy winter. We're super excited with all of the decorating and we really enjoy seasonal decorating and I can't wait to show you my winter decorating. So come with me and we'll go ahead and start decorating. Lana. Hey baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? My husband and I trade off doing our advent calendar for each other, and it is my turn to do the advent calendar this year. So I'm going to show you what I have in here for my husband's advent calendar. But I have to be quiet and I can't really tell you what it is on camera because he is just in the other room because we've been decorating. Every year in our household we have an advent calendar that counts down to the solstice, and that's because we leave really early for Christmas to get to our families, which are a couple of states away. A couple of years ago I made this advent calendar out of manila envelopes and I wrote a little seasonal greeting on it, and it says, "May our winter be warm and cozy." There are 21 days in this advent calendar, and each year my husband and I trade who fills the advent calendar. So that way one of us at least gets a surprise every other year. And this year it was my turn. So I have a lot of goodies that I put into the advent calendar this year. Normally what we like to do is we like to get like a set of something and then break it up throughout the Advent calendar. And then we also do something edible as well. So you'll see the little treats that I put in there for us as well. And then we also write notes to each other every day. This is just a little note that says what we're grateful for, what we're thankful for, or a mini love note to each other, or a favorite memory from the past year that involves the other person. And we exchange those notes every morning with the Advent calendar and the little gifts inside. And this year we actually added a little kitty Advent calendar. I was at Trader Joe's and I saw this little Advent calendar that has treats in it, and our cats like absolutely love it. But when we gave them the Advent calendar treat this morning, they weren't so excited. And I think that's because they had just gotten done eating like maybe an hour before, so they really weren't that hungry. So I think we're going to switch their adventing to the evening when they start bugging us for food after their food has been put away. So that'll be a nice little treat for them too. And you'll see the little kitty Advent calendar later in the vlog as well. This is our Advent calendar. We take all of these envelopes and we hang them up on a garland in our living room, which you'll see in just a second. And it says, "May our winter be warm and cozy." And sometimes we flip it around to say cozy and warm. So let's go ahead and fill these up. So here is what it looks like. These are all the things that are going to go in the Advent calendar. And I see that I forgot a couple of things. I forgot 5 things, so I'm gonna have to go and get those. Maybe we'll just go right now in my jammies, in my Christmas jammies, who knows? Maybe I'll take you with me. And if you were wondering, that is still like half full, even after all of that. Now, and I'm still in my pajamas, and I found what I was looking for, so we can go back and finish the Advent calendar before I keep getting distracted by all of the cute pet things. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go. Dan, you have a friend.
I have a friend.
Well, we tried. So it is the next day. I've already had my coffee, and I never ever remember, every year I always forget this, that we have to put the stickies up on the wall first. Those are 3M hooks, because we do a garland for a tree on the wall, or we'll do like some other flat tree on the wall because we just don't have the space. And it also keeps the cats off of it. So let's go ahead and finish decorating by putting up our Christmas tree garland on the wall. It's happening already. Olena! Hey, don't eat my tree. Don't eat my tree. And that was my winter decorating. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're curious about these jammies, oh my gosh, I love them. I got them off of Amazon, and I'll go ahead and leave them linked down below. And if you're curious, yes, the flap on the back is fully functioning. You can totally undo it, and you don't have to get out of your little onesie or your Christmas jammies to go to the bathroom. I actually slept in these last night, and they're very, very comfortable. I didn't get like all tangled up in them or anything. I'm kind of wondering why I didn't get one of these sooner, even though I feel so silly. Oh my god. It's super fun, and I'm definitely going to be bringing these back out next year during the winter season as well. So I am super grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and that we got to decorate together and have a little mini vlog. So I'm really grateful that you were here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.